Ladies and gentlemen, Taylor Quine from Property Brokers. Now whether you're a first home buyer, an investor, a downsizer, this property is going to tick all the boxes. 3 great sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan kitchen, dining, living, and the best part, it was only built 3 years ago. Welcome to 112C Monrad Street.